Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you how to map and sculpt your eyebrows. And if your eyebrows are uneven like mine are, this mapping technique will help you out tremendously. The products that I'll be using for my eyebrows today are Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade to fill in my eyebrows, the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer to shape up my eyebrows, and an eyebrow brush. I don't know if you can see that, but it's KEP90W. Okay, so obviously you're going to start with your brow pomade. You want to get a little bit of pomade on there. Place your eyebrow brush against your nose and drag down. This is where your eyebrow is going to start. Then same thing to the other side, against the nose. Drag straight down. Then a little more pomade. Now you want to place the brush on the end of your nose and tilt it up until it covers your pupil, and then drag straight down. Same thing to the other side, end of nose across the pupil and drag down. Then put your eyebrow brush on the end of your nose to the corner of your eye and then drag. This is going to be where your eyebrow stops. This is going to be where your eyebrow arches, and this is going to be where it starts. Now this step isn't necessary, but I do it to make sure that my eyebrows start from the same point. Take your eyebrow brush and place it on the bottom of your eyebrows, so where they start at the bottom, and then drag straight across. Now you want to place your eyebrow brush on the top of your eyebrows. Place it on your highest point, and then drag. I like to bring it all the way out to that line so that I know where they're going to connect at. Now you're going to connect each line to each other using the least amount of pomade towards the beginning of your eyebrow. You can see how much space is in between each line. And you see how there's less on this side and more on this side? That's because this eyebrow goes up higher than this one, and this one is thicker than this one. Starting from your first line, you're going to connect this point to this point. Then you're going to connect this one to this one. I always do the front of my eyebrow last. So you're going to connect the top of this line to the top of this line, starting from the point that you marked on top. And fill it in. Now you want to connect from this line to this line. And you want to fill it in, but put a light amount on the beginning of the eyebrow. Don't worry if it looks a hot mess, you're going to be cleaning it up in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do this eyebrow. Now that it looks like a little kid drew on my eyebrows, it's time to clean them up. Let's get rid of my messed up unibrow first. Go right along those lines that you placed in the beginning. Oh yeah, this is so much better. And trace and sculpt the bottom first. It gets rid of all of those lines that you put in the beginning as well. Now time for the top. Now you want to grab one of these and blur out that harsh line. I hope this eyebrow tutorial was helpful. I know that there was a lot of steps. That's because we were mapping our eyebrows. I'll post another video later on about how to do your eyebrows without mapping them. If you have any questions or comments, just comment below. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Thanks for all the love and support.